For this project, we will do research on the effect of climate change on tourism on Mallorca. In this video, we will tell you the outline of our research. We start with the problem formulation.
Due to greenhouse gas emission, the climate gets warmer. For Mallorca, this could mean that the once comfortable hot beaches will get too hot. As a consequence, the island of Mallorca will become less attractive for tourists. This is a big problem because the island of Mallorca depends for a big part on the tourist industry for their income. 17% of their GDP can be attributed to tourism, according to the European Environment Agency. Thus, a decline in tourists will result in unemployment. The objective of our research is to determine the influence of climate change on tourism and to determine what adaptation options there are available to prevent a decline in tourists.
Now we will discuss our causal diagram. Due to greenhouse gas emissions, the temperature is rising and there is less precipitation. Due to higher temperatures, Mallorca will become less attractive for tourists in the summer. However, in the off-season months, Mallorca will become more popular. The tourists not choosing Mallorca as their summer holiday destination will probably choose for a destination in Northern Europe since it is less hot there. The decline in tourism in the summer will lead to unemployment, less greenhouse gas emissions, and less water use. Furthermore, since it becomes hotter, more water is used. Water reservoirs are already under pressure to supply enough water, so higher temperatures and less precipitation will put these reservoirs under even higher pressure.
In our project, we will discuss the following research questions. First, which climate change impact mechanisms are involved? What is the current relation between the tourism in Mallorca and the temperature? What is the future change in the influence of climate change on tourism in Mallorca? What are the adaptation options? So to what extent can Mallorca adapt? And finally, where do the tourists go instead of Mallorca if they don't go there anymore?
These are the references we used, and we will expand this list during our project.